I want to take you back to the moment everything just changed, the moment your body just stopped working, stopped responding like it used to. Hemiplegia hit us hard, and for a long time we felt like our lives has been split in half before and after, and those early days of paralysis in every sense of the word, physical, emotionally, mentally as well, everything's just paralysis. And everyone tells you about these exercises, the treatments, the routines, but no one prepares you for the silence, the doubts, the fear that you'll never be the same person again. And here's where my mental shifted. I realised that paralysis isn't the end of the story. Progress doesn't stop in your muscles, it starts in your mind. And I stopped seeing myself as broken, and I started seeing myself as rebuilding. And Hemiplegia teaches you to celebrate the small wins and the tiny movements, the little more balance, the steps that used to feel impossible, and these movements used to frustrate us, and now they just fuel me, and they should do you. And I started to understand something powerful, like progression isn't loud, it isn't dramatic, it's quiet, repetitive, and often it's just boring. And life, it's life changing when you can do it anyway. And every day I showed up, not every day, because I've had it a long time. Yes, I've dropped off and not done it for like 6-7 months, but you just need to keep on going. Every day I do something. So yeah, every day I just do a little bit each time, and just do anything that moves you forward. And that's where real recovery lies, not in perfection, not in comparison, but showing up when no one sees it and sees you trying. And if you're living with hemiplegia, here's what I want you to hear: that you're not stuck, you're not done at all. Your body can adapt, and your brain can rewire, and your spirit can rise again when your body and your mind keeps on going. And paralysis may have been the start of my story, and it should be for you as well. And progression is how you finish it. But if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.